Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out Schedule B Form 1040. First, understand that Schedule B is necessary if your interest or ordinary dividend income exceeds $1,500. It's also required if you have a foreign bank account or a financial interest in a foreign trust. This form helps the IRS track specific types of income and international financial activities, ensuring accurate reporting on your main Form 1040. Let's dive into the details. Moving to Part I, this section is for your interest income. You'll need to list the names of all payers, like banks or brokerage firms, and the amount of interest received from each. Refer to your Form 1099 INT or other statements for these figures. If you received interest from a seller-financed mortgage, include the buyer's name and address. Finally, sum up all your interest income on line 4, transferring this total to your Form 1040. Now, let's tackle Part II, which covers ordinary dividends. Similar to interest, you'll list the names of all dividend payers, such as corporations or mutual funds, and the total ordinary dividends received from each. Your Form 1099 DIV will provide these essential details. Remember to distinguish ordinary dividends from qualified dividends, as only ordinary dividends are reported here. Add up all your ordinary dividends on line 6, then transfer this sum to your Form 1040. Finally, Part III addresses foreign accounts and trusts. You must answer questions regarding any financial interest in or signature authority over a foreign financial account. If you have such an account, you might also need to file FIN-CEN Form 114, Report of Foreign Bank and Financial Accounts, or FBAR. Additionally, indicate if you received a distribution from, or were a grantor of, a foreign trust. This section is crucial for international tax compliance. For more great deals, including that lifetime warranty on socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.